Kat with Sage Hill Cottage. I am here to show you today how you can create your very own DIY centerpiece for the holidays. Something that everyone's going to be saying woos and ahs over. But first of all, let's talk about what we're going to be using for the base. Rodworks carries the best selection of trays I have ever seen. They come in all different varieties, all different styles. There will be something for everybody's taste. This one in particular is a set of 3. It has kind of a farmhouse patina to it. It is very beautiful and I can't wait to use it. It's almost like you could find it out of a little old barn. Nice and old and antique-ish. So I'm excited to be able to show you how to do this today. So follow along with me. Okay friends, so the first thing we need to do is we need to fill this tray with our craft foam. I cut it very easily with a knife, and then I'm going to add a little bit of this glue gun to the bottom of this for a little bit of secureness. Simple, just like that. Next you're going to be doing is attaching these real candles. Now you can't just put a regular candle on, it will fall down, even if you try and glue it, so don't do that. We are going to attach a nail to the top. Now how you do this is you grab a little tweezers, what are these, pliers? You take your nail and you hold it over a candle, a lit candle, right here. You hold it over a lit candle for 15 seconds. Don't burn yourself. And then you just apply it with light pressure into the candle base and let it dry for a few minutes, and then it's ready to go. Then you can go ahead and decide where you're gonna put your candle. I think I'm gonna make 2 in the middle. And I'm gonna add a little bit of glue at the bottom as well. And just push it lightly in. Hold it for a second. Here's my second one. Ready to go. Let me show you that one again. A little dab of glue where I want to have it. Of course, hot glue gun. And then I have this little piece here. I'm gonna push it lightly down. Hold it there for a few seconds and it's ready to go. Now let's embellish this however you feel fine. You can go ahead and use some gloves if you want, but I'm just gonna go ahead and wing it, and hopefully I'm tough enough to not get any pokies in my fingers. I'm gonna go ahead and you can either just push this into the foam or just lay it lightly with a little bit of glue. Let's get to it and see how it turns out. You guys, I'm all covered in this stuff. I did add a little bit of moss just in between to fill in those little gaps. Now the very last thing we're gonna do is we're gonna add a little bit of natural element, and that's my favorite Christmas oranges. These are dried, these are easy, these are simple to make. You can check that out on my blog, but we're just gonna stick them in here just for a little bit of oomph to kind of complement the beautiful green colors. And that's it, my friends. We are done. This is ready to be a beautiful centerpiece. You can add more or you can add less. It's all up to you. All you need is a little bit of inventiveness, some greenery, of course, a lot of love, and your beautiful Rodworks.